August 26, 2024. Here at the Dark Lofts. Couple birds in the sky yet, but I'm gonna try to get more of them up. So let's see what I can do. Let's see what I can do. Look at that, guys. 3 of them. I was wondering, I was thinking, thought I had more birds out. And I think they're glad they came here. They're gonna wanna go back in the loft. But let's see. Come on. Come on, Houdini. Come on. Come on. Oh, right back in the loft. Ooh. They're like, oh, hell no. That's the one that I confuse with Houdini sometimes. It's heavily pied too, that's why. Marshall. I got some birds in the sky. Look at that. 2 in the sky. Let's concentrate on them for now. It is what it is. I'm gonna try to get them up one more time. Look at that. Wish they all were flying like that, but you know, got some birds out. Hopefully these are a couple of the young ones. Looks that way. Look at that one. Kind of look like maybe it is Deverance, but who knows? Hard to say. Could be our young birds too that we bred. Could be on green band, who knows? Boom. Look at that. They're doing awesome though. So this about flying the birds. Look at how beautiful the sky is today. Look at that one. Boom. That one down there. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Cut tree here, hopefully. Yep. Boom. There's the other one. There, them 2 cutting out there. Awesome, awesome. Look at that. Boom. So this is about. Birds are coming out. Hopefully they drift in front of the loft so it's easier to push them up. I'd like all of them to at least have one good fly. Right there. Oh, that other one went. Down is, keep going. Awesome. Oh, right there's the other one. He drifted up, but he's back. Yes. There's the other one. Those 2 are going real good. I like that. See if they'll cut that way. Yep. Right there. Boom. And it's flying nice. There's the other one. Look at that. Cut back around this way, hopefully. Oh, looked like that was a 3rd one. There's the other one. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. That's what I like to see. Boom. How beautiful the sky is. Oh, there's the other one. Oh, right there. Cutting back around. Oh, that guy is moving. That's what I'm talking about. There's that one too. That too is doing awesome. I would like to see who that is. Boom. Vertical. Oh. Yeah, they're doing awesome. Look at that. Boom. Whoa. The Dark Lofts, Big Island of Hawaii. Oh, yeah.